Okay, it's Monday 29th of November, just come up to midnight, and I didn't realise it was that late. That's what happens when you stick your hoodie on and start coding. So today was clearly a market maker sell model on the hour when we look at today's trading. So if I switch on the first indicator, this is the 4x4 theory. This marks out 4 o'clock, sorry, down to midnight. So this is all of today's trading, and what we have, again, we do have a swing high by here on the lower time frame. I think it's the 15 minute. Correct me if I'm wrong. Just have a quick look. So yeah, there's a fair value gap just by there, so I'm just going to kill that. Put in the in that. So we have a fair value gap by there on the 15 minute. And that created, oh jeez, I always do this. That created market maker sell model just by there. We then can use that if we. There'll be a swing low just by here. Just take that as gospel. I did that in the wrong colour. That should be in red, really, because it's a downwards one. We do have then from this swing high down to here. This is market maker buy model, and this swing low becomes a breaker. So we've got high, low, higher, high, breaks, and everything's gone into a short bias right now, at least here on the lower time frames. So we also end up with another market maker sell model. So I've been coding another indicator, and I've had some issues with it the last couple of days since I've upgraded my TradingView account to premium. I have more candles, more data, and it was causing errors. So I fixed that tonight, and what I'll just show you very quickly is how it's working. So we have another 4x4 theory I've put on here, which I've configured to mark out the New York Open time, which is the candles in red and green. So the candles in black and white, that's the London Open, and then we got the New York Open just by there, and then these candles here later on. You got the London close and the New York close just by that. So that's as far as I go with that. Now, when I bring in the institutional breakpoint, this is the indicator I've been currently working on, and it draws two things. It needs the fair value gaps. You can see there's an awful lot going on around here, but this swing high stretched out all the way to here, and this is a break point. So it would have gone up and taken. Wouldn't have taken a trade because that's the first part of the second part of the signal. The third part is it's got to come back down. But we've had all of this, all of these markers by here on the time frame, so we kind of cancel that out. And you can see here as we come into 7 o'clock, we have this up here, and then if we go to the right, candle closes, we wait for price to come back up, and that's the breaker effectively, because we've got a high, low, higher, high, and then a reversal, retrace, followed by some consolidation and retracement. This is another market maker sell model. Each one of these is an entry point. It's a market maker sell model each time. So this is phase 1 and this is phase 2. So we capture phase 2. As soon as it comes back up to the breaker here, we can get in for a sell. So in terms of what that is, that's just below let's be about 7 pips in total, and then it's gone all the way down to about 128 pips. So you can start to see where I'm going with this. I want to produce alerts to send them out to the cloud stuff that I've got running. If we drop down to 5 minutes very quickly, you can see here we have this indicator here. This is the break point, this is the swing point here. So we have a market maker buy model going up, and then a market maker sell model going down. This is the fractal on the lower time frame. So if I was to zoom in on the 1 minute, just to show you. So you can see here straight away this swing high gets broken. So this becomes our market maker buy model. Just by here, this is our entry point. So what we're looking out for is these lows just by here. As price comes back down to it, which it does do at 7 o'clock, that confirms to me that the bias is downwards, which is exactly what I'm looking for. It's the sequence. It always starts with the opposite side on the lower time frame. So we have here from here to here is market maker buy model, and then as soon as this is broken over here, we have confirmation of breaking structure, and that's the structure shift, and it's at the right time because it's 7 o'clock just by that, and that's the reversal. So as soon as price comes back up to the breaker, which is around about there, I can get in. So let's have a look and see how far that went down. How far that is in distance. So it would have been one of these here. That's on the minute. So that's 140 pips. That's quite a distance. Not a big fan at the minute, I've got to be honest. I'm losing kind of my appetite for the lower time frames. This one, the 5 minute was quite nice because it gave plenty of opportunities to get in. Notice how only here the green candle with the indicator is the only one that kind of gets broken a little just by here on this candle. I don't know if you can hear my dog in the background. Does this? So yeah, there's a breaker. We've got another breaker by here. That was another opportunity to get in here. And then we've got another one here. Goes across. Candle closes here. Comes back up. There's an opportunity to get in. Notice how the green ones, there's nothing to the right. So we have another one here. This candle closes below it, comes back up. That's an entry point. This one here doesn't come back up to it. Closes below it, but doesn't come back up. Then we have these two. Closes down below it here and then comes back up, so there's an entry point there. There's plenty of opportunities to actually scale in to that position, and could have rode that all the way down, and that was just one trade for the week. So that's probably going to be it, I think, for now.